We are going to share top 3 best skateboard ramps. The number 3 on the list is RampTech 2 feet tall quarter pipe. This ramp's surface is built from custom ramp plate and the sidewalls are black laminated HDO plywood. Owing to these strong components, this ramp is designed to last long and withstand heavy skateboarding. The RampTech quarter pipe is easy to assemble and the assembly should not take more than an hour. And the convenience does not stop there. It weighs only 94 pounds, little less than wooden skate ramps that easily go over 100 pounds. The light weight makes it easier to move and store it. It makes a good choice for doing tricks in driveway or your backyard where you might be pressed for space. The number 2 on the list is Mojo quarter pipe skateboard ramp. This Mojo quarter pipe boasts strength, durability and high portability. It consists of high tensile steel frames and a strong yet smooth polycarbonate surface over it. It also comes with a removable and adjustable safety railing. Why we liked it? Both the frames and the surface are weather resistant as the strong steel frame is coated with powder, so the pipe is going to last long. And the top rated part about this particular product is that there is a wheel kit, so moving it around is super easy. Although it weighs 300 pounds, the wheels will make carrying it a breeze. The number 1 on the list is OC Ramps half pipe. OC ramps are known for their high quality, and this sturdy, high-class plywood and lumber exterior half pipe is one of their most rated. It comes with an easy installation kit with very detailed instructions with pictures about the installation procedure. Why we liked it? Besides the high-quality wood, the metallic parts of the skate ramp are galvanized to offer protection from rust. Decently wide in size, this skate ramp is good for both beginners as well as pro stunt skaters. With this product, you get the ultimate skating experience like that in a skating park, anywhere you like.